My hair looks black.
My hair looks different.
Black. Hair
Both
looks like
of our hairs.
Layla's.
Yeah. Don't you worry there, my honey. We might not have any money, but we've got our love to pay the bills. Maybe I think you're cute and funny. Maybe I wanna do what bunnies do with you, if you know what I mean. Oh, let's get rich and buy our parents' homes in the south of France. Wait, are we doing harmony?
I don't know.
Rich
I just texted
every...
my
Oh, we can do the love part. No, I'm asking, will we do harmony this part?
Oh, if you want to, I can try.
Rich, let's do normal first time. Rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build our house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. Way up there, you and I, you and I. Sorry, I couldn't resist. You might be a bit confused and it's okay, you can just sit there and look pretty. You might be a little bit bruised, but baby, how we spoon like no one else. So I will help you read those books if you will soothe my worried looks. And I just did a British accent for a second there, that was weird. We will put the lonesome on the shelf. Let's get rich and buy our parents' homes in the south of France. Let's get rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build our house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. Ah, damn it! Way up there, ah, you and I, you and I. And then they stop and they're like, no, then they stop and they're like, let's get rich and buy our parents.
But they're like, what do they do? They're like,
Donk, donk. What's that song that goes like that?
I don't know.
Go wash on the floor, yo, brasky. They don't say that.